Hey guys, Ollie here back with another video, and today we're going to be unboxing the Apple Watch Series 3. So, this is the 42mm space gray aluminum sports band, black. And yeah, I have been waiting for this for a long time, and let's get right in the box. So it slides out just like that, and just like every Apple product, we have that designed by Apple in California. There is our Apple Watch. Let's put that aside for a minute, and take this out. Apple Watch. Got this little logo paper here, with some instructions on how to fasten your strap. Empty paper, another one, and we have our small medium band in case you need that, and our charger, the charger and the wireless charger in here. If you don't already know, the Apple Watch wireless, all of them wirelessly charged with this magnetic sort of thing. We'll take that out in a moment. And here is the watch. Take off this plastic on it. Doesn't that look great? Power it on. Oh, we have this here. Power it on. We see the Apple logo over there. Let's give it some time to boot up. And in this video, I'm going to be going through how to set it up as well. Alright, so it has booted up. And as you can see over there, it says to bring my phone near it. And I have the app launched on my iPhone. I'm going to start pairing. And I'm going to find that. Your Apple Watch is paired. So the Apple Watch, I wear the watch on my left hand. Go to click that. So it is connecting my Apple Watch now. And meanwhile, we can see over here this sort of nice little design with the Apple logo in the center. Terms and conditions, I agree. I wonder if anyone actually reads these. And Apple ID. So it is now verifying the Apple ID. So it says over now we're done with that. It says over here the workout routine tracking. I'm gonna enable that. Share settings. Okay. Now it's asking me if I want to create a passcode. Yeah, I'll create a passcode. Alright, so now I'm done setting up the passcode. It shows activity. If you like, you can provide a little bit of information about yourself to set up activity app. Alright, let's set up the activity app. You can set a daily move goal over here. I would say moderate, I guess. Set move goal. Keep your Apple Watch up to date. Get the features, continue. Apple Pays. Emergency SOS. So you can keep hold of this button to get the emergency SOS to start. You can install apps from the Apple Watch App Store. So it's installing the basic apps, and the Apple Watch is syncing. So you can see over here the basics in the display. You tap, that's the digital crown, the side button, and yeah, those are the basics. So it's gonna now sync. This might take a while. So I will see you once that is done. Alright, so now that that's done, took a while. It says welcome to Apple Watch. Everyone okay? And it can show all the, shows over here the name of the Apple Watch, shows some of the different, oops, my phone's running low on battery. I gotta charge that. It shows all the some of the faces. There are many more, as you can see over here, all these. I personally, I like this one. So you can customize it, put it up whatever you want, whatever you want. I think this is good. Set as. And we've got something over here. Allow. So it's gonna sync the weather information and all that into the Apple Watch. You can see what else is over here, app layouts, all this stuff, all this good stuff. And also we have an app store over here. I'm gonna be downloading some apps, and I will have another what's in my Apple Watch video coming out soon. Alright guys, so that has been the video. Hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, because I have a lot of cool videos coming out real soon. You don't want to miss out on those ones, do you? Of course not. So yeah, make sure to subscribe, comment down below if you have any questions regarding the Apple Watch, because trust me, I've done a lot of research on this thing. And yeah, that is it for now. See you guys in the next video. Peace.